Hello YouTube, why do people like squeezing pimples so much? 5 facts about this phenomenon. There is hardly a person in the world who would not try at least once to squeeze pimples on his face or body with his own hands. But if some do it extremely rarely, then others literally itch their hands to suppress something, or see how someone else does it. Not surprisingly, about 4 million people have subscribed to the page of the cosmetologist Sandra Lee, who calls herself the Pimple Doctor. The videos of the girls are so vile that many will not even be able to watch them to the end, nevertheless they are in demand. And we tried to find out why. Pleasure from Fear and Disgust. Disgust and fear are evolutionarily important emotions that help people insulate themselves from problems. Having once been in a dangerous place and having an unpleasant experience, in the future a person will try to avoid it. For example, having been poisoned by some food, we will not be able to even look at it for a very long time, remembering the terrible consequences. But you must admit, it is much easier to find out that someone else is suffering from severe abdominal pain than to experience it personally. It is for this reason that people are so interested in videos of accidents, disasters, footage from horror films and other unpleasant sights. Daniel Kell, associate professor of philosophy at Purdue University, believes that the desire to pop pimples has something to do with the desire to have an unpleasant experience without sacrificing yourself too much. The same goes for videos of someone squeezing pimples. Often people watch them in disgust, but still continue to do it. Dermatillomania. There is a rare mental disorder characterized by an increased obsession with acne called dermatillomania. With dermatillomania, a person enjoys the very process of picking a pimple. And if there are no pimples, healed wounds, dried crusts, hangnails and even skin on the lips will do. In many cases, dermatillomania is part of an obsessive-compulsive disorder. Popping a pimple is a compulsion, an action that a person feels they must perform. Only after he completes it, there comes a feeling of satisfaction. If you experience something similar, squeezing pimples, there is reason to think, tripiphobia. Tripiphobia is the fear of cluster holes, various holes, dimples, bubbles, and the like. And although the American Psychic Association does not classify tripiphobia as a mental disorder, millions of people around the world suffer from it. The main signs of this fear are a feeling of nausea, itching, discomfort, anxiety and nervous trembling at the sight of various holes. The naturalist believes that tripiphobia is directly related to the desire to squeeze acne. This is, as it were, the reverse side of it. And this phenomenon originated in the process of evolution. Primates quite often suffer from tropical African myosis, large boils with holes from which larvae laid by the pathogen fly peep out. Primates spent so much time cleaning their fur and removing parasites from their relatives that this habit became part of their lifestyle and even remained with humans. Antidepressant. For some, pimple popping is a great way to calm down. Moreover, fans of this process find solace not only in picking the skin, but also watching videos of someone doing it. Beautician Sandra Lee's subscribers often wrote to her that watching such videos even helps them fall asleep. There are special toys that imitate the extrusion of pimples. Perhaps the point is also that the woman accompanies all the actions on the video with her comments. Lee's soothing voice and the sight of popping pimples act like an ASMR trigger for many. ASMR, Autonomous Sensory Meridional Response, the so-called goosebumps that people experience when listening to various sounds, music, watching videos, smelling, and so on. Opinion of cosmetologists. All cosmetologists unanimously declare that it is strictly forbidden to squeeze pimples on your own. Thus, you injure the skin and bring dirt into it, which leads to inflammation and the appearance of new pimples in the future. If the tripiphobic urge to get rid of skin imperfections is so strong that you cannot control it, contact a professional immediately. Only a cosmetologist can carry out cleaning safely and correctly. saving you from possible scars, post-acne and age spots. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.